His business is barely staying afloat, but he is glad that despite the challenges, he still has a roof over his head. His main and newest worry now, the cost of electricity, which powers most of his appliances at home.
Wakosa stima, vitu mingi haziwezi endelea kwenye hii nyumba. Kitu ya kwanza, watoto wangu hawezi oga maji baridi. Kitu ya pili, mtoto wangu anatumiaga TV kusoma. Mwenye ako anafanya CBC. Ndio hiyo. Kukosa stima kunakuwa ni balaa.
He has been buying electricity tokens worth 500 every week, and that has been sufficient. Today's purchase of the same tokens of power have left him perplexed. For 500 shillings, he received 19.84 units of electricity. The same amount of money purchased him 22.87 units just last week and 25.55 units at the end of August.
Tofauti ya last week, nilinunua token ya 500, nilipata units za 22. Leo nimenunua token, nimepata 19. Token ya 19. Kuna tofauti ya 3.
Like many other electricity consumers, Omuga hardly glances at the other components of the token receipt except to check how many units he has been awarded with his purchase, and that is where the devil lies, in the detail.